Hi everyone, so today we're making air fryer fries. You grab a russet potato, we're gonna start off with this. Now the key with air fryer fries is it's 2 cooks. One at 350 and the other one at 400 degrees. But the first things first, we gotta cut up the potato, we gotta soak it, and you're gonna get this really just nice, like crispy, fluffy fry. No oil, no mess. You save a bunch of calories too, it's cool. All right, so first of all, we're gonna cut our potato into strips, right? Like 1/2 inch long strips. We're not gonna cut them in half, just keep them like nice long strips, okay? Into the water. All our potatoes, that's 1 russet potato. Now into our water. So this is a bowl of cold water, okay? About 4 cups of water. I'm gonna add some salt in here. This is gonna enhance the flavor of the fries, like a tablespoon or 2. We're also gonna add some vinegar. This is going to maintain the structure of the fry and also make it crispier. A few drops in there, okay? And we want to pull the starch out so we get a nice crispy fry. The 2 cooks, we're going to get it nice and fluffy in the middle and then crispy on the outside. You'll see. Okay. You're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 15 minutes. Our fries are nice and like less starchy. They're going to be crispy. They're going to be, no. We're gonna cook them and they're gonna turn into that. I'm just joking. Okay, so fries into a towel, okay? So I just got a towel here. Throw them in here. Okay, move this to the side. Just gonna shake them, right? Just like this. Get them in there. Okay, just gonna shake them up like that. Get as much moisture out of them as possible. But don't worry, a bit of moisture is okay because in the first cook, we're kind of gonna steam the potatoes and we're gonna cook the center of them. They'll be a bit al dente because it's only 10 minutes at 350 first. I dried my bowl, washed it, fries into the bowl, okay? Now we're just gonna add some olive oil. I'm all out. Okay, that's fine. Some of my lovely seasoning, the original, it's right there. You can get that on spicetribe.com. Like a teaspoon. And then I'm just gonna hit it with a tiny bit of salt. That's it. I'm just gonna mix that up really, really well. You want oil on all the potatoes, okay? This is the best way, I'm telling you, to make potatoes, to make fries. Okay, onto the tray. Just like that. 350 degrees for 10 minutes. We're gonna stop it. Then we're gonna put it on for 8 minutes at 400 degrees and we're gonna get the perfect fries. All right, welcome back. It's been about 18 minutes. We're gonna check on the fries. Okay. Okay, hold on. Ah, it's hot. Okay. Oh God, oh my God, yeah. They're almost like, I need some vinegar. It's almost like fish and chips that I get in Ireland. The seasoning is so good. Garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, tiny bit of chili. They are so good. Yeah, look at the color. And it's great, you don't even have to peel them. Yeah, that's the one. Make these. Remember, cut your potatoes, soak them in the water with some salt and some vinegar. 15 minutes. First cook, 350, 10 minutes. Second cook, 400 degrees, 8 minutes, and that's it. It's not that hard. All right, see you here next week.